To make sure the Moloch containers are as sustainable as they can be, the company has partnered with the Earth Rangers, a children's conservation organization which runs a Centre for Sustainable Technology in Vaughan, Ontario.
So Earth Ranger Center is really a hub for a lot of new technologies that are not so prevalent in the commercial office sector. We have geothermal systems, we have solar photovoltaic trackers that track the sun. We also have earth tubes, which harness the constant temperatures on the earth. Moloch is a building sponsor of ours. They're one of the many technologies we exhibit at the Earth Ranger Center. We have 3 Molochs, one for waste, one for recycling, and one for organics.
The Moloch bins are fantastic because a big thing for us is capacity. These guys behind us are 6.5 cubic yards each with a very little footprint because they go 5 feet into the ground. Previously we had a 4 cubic yard bin, 2 of those in a conditioned room. Problem with that is that it takes up valuable real estate inside of our building. It takes up energy. Our previous bins were collected weekly because of this smaller volume. These bins are collected every 2 weeks. Less pickups means less emissions from the trucks, which is what we stand for.
We're doing a study for Moloch North America right now. We've put temperature sensors into the Moloch bins to measure how constant are the temperatures year-round in the Moloch container. And as well, we measure the odors coming from it. So we have odor meters that measure certain particulates that are known to produce odors. The more constant we can keep the temperature, especially during the summer months, the less often we have to pick up due to decomposition of the organics especially. During the winter months, you don't want especially organic materials to freeze. If it freezes, it gets stuck and then you don't have a full pickup. It ends up being in there until the summer. The Moloch container really keeps a constant temperature at the very bottom of the bin, especially around about 12 to 14 degrees Celsius. At most times, it is actually cooler than our conditioned waste room. And there are no odors emanating from directly outside the Moloch that we found from any test that we've done so far. So it doesn't attract the pests a normal bin would that sat outside.